How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is me again, and I'm just walking around. It's a cold day here out in Illinois. It's about 15 degrees. I think the feel like temperature is 8 with the wind. Wind isn't too bad today. And if you can't tell, I am using a new camera. So gonna try this out. Got the DJI Action 4 here. Decided to invest some money into the channel. So first things first, I just want to thank you guys for 85 subscribers. That means we are 15 subscribers away from our 100 sub goal. But today we're going to be taking the dock runner out, and we're going to be trying to ice fish with it, see how it does. The dock runners went through every single challenge I've put it through, so I don't see why it can't be fished in ice. So that's just what we're gonna do today. I'm waiting for John to show up. I'm gonna get my snowboard boots out. I think I'm gonna wear those on the ice today, see if they keep my feet a little warmer, and then we're gonna head out. Alright, John got his hole cut out, augered out, whatever you want to say. I got mine. I'm gonna have to replace the bobber because it's sinking, but we got the dock runner going. Well, guys, it's been about an hour. Nothing yet. We were over there. We are now over here. If you can see him. Let me zoom in. There's John. Anyways, yeah, we haven't caught anything yet. Not even a bite, so. Switch spots, just got the holes drilled. I'm gonna run to the car and grab a drink. And we'll sit here, see if we can catch anything. Hopefully. Still haven't caught any fish while ice fishing yet, so hopefully I can get my first on the dock runner.
Hook set.
Alright, well, we're not skunked. Oh, poor guy. One. 0 for the dock runner. Alright. We moved one last time. This is it. Gonna give this 30 minutes or so. See if we get any bites. If not, probably call it with that one. We'll see. Hope not. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. The wind started to pick up a little bit, so we called it a little early than we usually would. It was a nice day out, so we weren't freezing our asses off, which was good, but John got one, I didn't get any, so I got skunked. At least the trip wasn't for anything, for nothing, because John got one. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Expect more videos, and I'll see you soon. Peace.